Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido tungkol ba sa balibalita na baka daw si Yusek Claire Castro papalitan siya ni Mon Ilagan as Palace Press Officer. Ano ba, matutuloy ba na sisibakin na si Auntie Claire? Hindi ako papayag. Dapat dyan pa rin, siya pa rin hanggang 2028. Dyan pa rin si Auntie Claire. Ito, sabi ni Wilfredo Garrido, Attorney Wilfredo, Mon Ilagan, a has-been journalist and a trapo, can't hold a candle to Claire Castro. Unless you are willing to give her a promotion like giving her the DOJ post, let her stay. BBM, please don't commit the same mistake in replacing a popular official with a lightweight as when you listened to the wrong advice and replace General Torre. So, hindi papayag si Attorney Wilfredo Garrido na palitan nila si Yusek Claire Castro, not unless na siya ang magiging DOJ Secretary. Ito, kinonfirm na ng PCO Secretary Dave Gomez na hindi talaga papalitan. So, good news. Ito, Inquirer.net. Gomez, Mon Ilagan won't replace Claire Castro as Palace Press Officer. Supporters and critics alike will still see Palace Press Officer Claire Castro in the almost daily briefings in Malacanang. Kaya, good news, Auntie Claire will stay. Castro remains as Undersecretary of the Presidential Communications Office according to our immediate superior PCO Secretary Dave Gomez. In a message to reporters on Monday, Gomez confirmed the appointment of former Cainta Rizal Mayor and ex-journalist Ramon Ilagan as PCO Undersecretary for Operations. However, he belied reports that Ilagan would take on the post of Castro. So, sabi ni Secretary Gomez, Ilagan will not replace Yusek Claire. She will remain as a spokesperson and press officer. As Palace Press Officer, Castro's duties include officially speaking to and briefing the media and providing timely statements and clarifications on presidential engagements, policies, and positions as may be authorized. Ilagan and Castro are among the current 4 undersecretaries at the PCO, including its attached agencies. Prior to his appointment to the PCO, Ilagan was an Assistant Secretary of the Department of Transportation as Executive Director of the Office of Transportation Cooperatives. He was also designated by then Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon as the agency's spokesperson. Castro earlier dismissed rumors circulating online that she was being eyed as the next Secretary of Justice following Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla's appointment as Ombudsman. As of Monday, President Marcos Jr. has yet to appoint a new Secretary of the Department of Justice. Okay, so klaro na, ang ating paboritong Auntie Claire will stay as press officer. Makikita at makikita pa rin natin araw-araw at magbibigay ng ligaya buong bansa it Bulaga. So, effective daw si Attorney Claire Castro sa kanyang trabaho. And I agree. Effective siya basta pagtira sa mga Duterte. Yan ang kanyang porte. Talagang Mabilis pa sa alas 4. Basta Duterte ng pinag-usapan, birada. And the more natitirahin niya ang mga Duterte, to me, the better. Lalo na kung si VP Inday Sara ang kanyang titirahin, mas gusto ko yon. Kasi, alam mo na, ang Pilipino, mahilig, yung suporta nila napupunta sa underdog. Kung sino yung tingin na inaapi, yung Pilipino na, example, neutral, hindi siya maka Duterte, hindi siya maka Marcos, hindi siya maka Ping. Kailan kung makita nila na inaapi, mapunta doon. Kaya, ito, abangan natin itong next year. Talagang magkakaroon na naman ng panibagong birada nila laban kay VP Sara. Actually, nagsisimula na ngayon eh. Ang dami nang lumalabas na naratibo. Yung bakit daw hindi pinayagan ang interim release ni PRRD, ang sinisisi nila si VP Sara. So, ang strategy nila is dinidivide nila ang mga Duterte supporters. Kaya huwag tayong padadala, mga kapwa ko DDS. Gusto nilang hati-hatiin tayo. Dapat solid lang tayo. Kasi tayo ang may pinakamaraming sa latest survey ng WR numero, 31% sa mga na-survey considered DDS. Ang Marcos loyalist, 19% lang sila. Kaya tayo ang pinakamarami. Kahit mag-join forces pa ang loyalist at mga kakamping, mas marami pa rin ang mga DDS. So, merong united effort ngayon, composed of mga kakamping o dilawan, mga leftist, progressive group, mga makaliwa, Marcos loyalist, mga civil society groups, mga NGOs at media para i-destroy nila ang kredibilidad ni VP Sara para pagdating ng 2028, hihina na siya. In case hindi nila matanggal sa impeachment, ang target nila, hihina ang credibility ni VP Sara by 2028. But, come on, bring it on kung kaya nilang sirain ang ating VP Inday Sara. Basta tayong mga DDS, magkaisa lang tayo talaga. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo itong tribo ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ug karon mao ni ang matagaan og yero.
Salamat kayo sa paghatag sa sin.
So mo na ni ang atop nga